Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another pattern for intermediate students. My name is Herman.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Salsa Ninja.
If you like this video, subscribe below.
Boom! Hey guys, what's going on? Here at Salsa Ninja, this move is called Cafecito. Let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I switch my hands on 5. 6, 7, one hand up, one hand down. 1, 2, 3. So this is a hammer lock. 5, 6, 7. Okay? For you girls, you want to have the hands as light as possible, keeping your elbows down throughout the turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I do a hairbrush right after on 5, 6, 7, and I catch the shoulder. And I'm also holding the hand here behind. Now from here, I lead her into a left travel turn. So I do a crossbody lead footwork. For you girls, left travel turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch hands. 5, 6. One hand up, one hand down. Elbows down for you girls. Hairbrush. 6. Hold their shoulder. From here, left travel turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I raise the hand. Lead her into a right turn, and I take a side step. 1, 2, 3. From here, I am going to do a left turn for myself. 5, 6, 7. So that left turn, it went 1, 2, 3 to the side. Now from here, into the left, stepping long with a 5. 5 here with the right foot. 6, keeping my elbows down as I turn. 7, a hairbrush. 7. Into a crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the whole pattern. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch hands. 5, 6. Hammer lock. 1, 2, 3. Hairbrush. Catch the shoulder. Girls, punch in you can with the hand, or keep it here so that the hand doesn't get stuck. If you lower the hand, it gets stuck here. So keep it in your chest, or you could use it to punch in slightly. Let's see it again one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hand switch. 6, 7. One up, one down. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side step for me. Left turn. 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, that's Cafecito. Let's see it now with music.
Great job for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Awesome job. Well done. Hey guys, listen, if you like this video and if you want to see more salsa tutorials, subscribe here in this channel. See you guys soon.